In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom backgrounds with Microsoft Teams. If you want your meetings to look a little more polished, professional, or simply more personal, adding a custom background in Teams is a quick and easy way to do it. This is especially useful if you're joining from a busy room, a home office, or any space you'd rather not show on camera. The good news is that you can set this up before you even enter the meeting. To begin, make sure you're on the pre-join screen in Microsoft Teams. This is the screen that appears right before you officially enter the meeting. Here, the first thing you'll want to do is turn on your camera. Enabling your camera lets Teams show you a live preview, which is important because it allows you to see exactly how your background will look before anyone else sees it. That way, you can make adjustments in advance and join the meeting with confidence. Once your camera is on, look for the background filters option. Click on that to open the background settings. This area is where Teams gives you different ways to change what appears behind you on video. You may see built-in blur options or preloaded backgrounds, but for this tutorial, we're focusing on uploading your own custom image. After the background filters panel opens, click Add New. This option allows you to bring in an image directly from your computer. As soon as you click it, a file selection window will appear, giving you access to your saved images and folders. Now go ahead and select the image you want to upload from your computer. Choose a picture that fits the look you want for your meeting. For the best results, it helps to use a clear, high-quality image that isn't too busy or distracting. A simple office scene, a branded company background, or a clean professional design usually works very well. Once you select the image, Teams will upload it and apply it as your new custom background preview. At this point, you should be able to see how the background looks behind you before joining the meeting. If everything looks good, you're ready to continue and enter the call with your new customized setup. And that's all it takes to create a custom background in Microsoft Teams. It's a simple feature, but it can make a big difference in how you present yourself during virtual meetings.